What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Dominoes 7 here. Okay, well, y'all already know who I am. Let me take my mask off and show y'all who I am. I look ugly, but oh well, the hell with that. All right, I look like an old man. But anyway, y'all, Dominoes 7 is here and stuff like that. So here at a graduation, well, y'all already know, okay? Let's go back by my people here. All right, we on Facebook Live now.
Yeah, we on live, you dig?
Yep.
We're at my grandbaby graduation.
Eventually on YouTube, you know.
You dig?
So
that's love, dog. Thank you for coming support us too, B, dog.
all right.
I appreciate that, cuz.
I appreciate it too. Oh, so the graduates gonna be sitting these 2 rows, huh?
Oh, we probably gonna have I think they said the first 2 rows.
Yeah, that's what they say. But I don't know if they mind me sitting over there. All right, so right behind her. Well, I guess I'm gonna sit at this chair right here. I guess move that out the way. All right. The gymnasium on the 2nd floor. Ain't that something, y'all? Focus camera. Thank you. All right. So when the graduation, everybody's in here, so support the kids, you know. So, all right. So this is a nice school here, the gymnasium, you know, and there's an elevator right there. Of course, they're gonna have y'all see the elevator right there, that door right there. So that's the elevator right there where I'm pointing at. Okay. I don't know why I'm talking about elevators right now. You know, let me show my face. I'm supposed to wear my mask. I got towel for extra precaution. So anyway, I hope these people that's in here now gonna recognize me in the nearby future, and I hope they watch my show. You know, so they'll be like, "Oh, that's my son, that's my daughter, yay!" You know. Who am I, Raj, from What's Happening? What's happening now? Oh, wait. All right, there you go. Dominoes 7. That's great.
Looking at an old video.
Oh, an old video?
Old video.
Okay. All right.
Record my grandbaby graduation.
Yeah.
Just want to say thank you, twin.
All righty. All right.
Me.
All right. So. Oh, you recording me right now? All right. Oh, let me take. All right. Yeah, she just took my picture, ladies and gentlemen. You know, so look at me. I look old as dirt. Tanya, if you're watching me right now, look at me. I don't know if Tanya watching this or not. Unless I go out there and show her this video, if possible, on my phone or on my laptop. I don't have a personal laptop yet. I used to have my mom's laptop, but unfortunately, it ain't working anymore. You know, so and plus it's not CD wise. You know, so long as the people don't think I'm talking to myself, then you know.
You ain't talking to yourself.
Yeah, I know because I. All right, so. Well, and ladies and gentlemen, I don't have a TikTok, you know, and I don't have Snapchat, and I don't do MySpace no more. Snapchat. Yeah, not Nala got that. I don't understand Snapchat, so I quit Snapchat. Rick, you don't have Snapchat?
I don't even get down with Snapchat.
All right.
I have Snapchat. All that
Oh, wait a minute.
stuff I don't really be having. You know?
Okay.
I really don't be on Instagram like that. I think I'm like one of the laid back who
Yeah.
don't have a big social media account.
Okay.
I don't have a big social media. Only thing I be on is Facebook, really.
Yeah, Facebook. I mainly be on Facebook and YouTube.
Right.
Instagram sometimes.
Right.
But not all the time.
Right. For real.
Right. So anyway, before I stop this one, I don't know if Micaiah Brailers. It's YouTubers I'm talking about.
Oh, okay.
Scott and Camber. If y'all watching this, let me know when one of your daughters is graduating. You know, so I congratulate them. Okay. Oh, excuse the stain. I was drinking juice. All right. All right. So I'm gonna stop this, and I know that's funny, but I'll stop this. I'm gonna start it again when they get ready to come out. Okay. All right.